Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, today is chapter 2 of Farm Animals. So we're going to read chapter 2 in this book. Chapter 2, A Day on the Farm. On a family farm, the sun slowly rises on a new summer day. A rooster crows loudly, and the cows stand next to a gate. Soon the farmer will lead them into a field. The farmer opens the gate. The cows walk through. The grass in the field is green and thick. The cows eat. The sun rises higher, and chickens begin to roam around the yard. The farmer has scattered grain for them. The chickens are hungry, so they use their beaks to peck and eat. Chickens eat other things in the yard too. They use their beaks to dig up worms. It's noon and the sun is high now. It's hot. The pigs stay in the shade in the pen. They drink water from a long trough. The pigs roll in the mud in the pen. The wet mud cools them. It's late afternoon now. A pasture beyond the field. A sheep looks up and runs. A black and white dog bounces over the hill. The dog is a border collie. Its job is to herd the sheep to a new place. The farmer wants to use the pasture for other animals. The dog helps the farmer move the sheep away. The sun begins to set. The animals move again. The horses in the field change directions and trot together towards the stable. The farmer opens the stable door. Each horse has its own space inside. The horses will eat and sleep standing up. It's getting dark now. The chickens get ready to roost in their coop. One by one, they flutter inside where it's comfortable and warm. The chickens look around the coop. Soon it will be dark. Then they will sleep. It's night on the farm. Cows and sheep snuggle down in the straw and settle in for the night. They lie close together in the barn to keep warm. It's quiet in the barn now. All the animals are asleep. All right, so that was chapter 2. So your assignment today is to tell me, where do these animals stay on the farm? So I'm going to tell you some words. This is a barn, and it's tall. Humans can walk in. It's really big. This is a pen. This is a coop, and humans cannot walk in it. It's kind of small. This is a stable. Now, I want you to get a piece of paper, and you're going to number it 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1, where can you find the chickens? Can you find them in the barn, in the pen, the coop, or the stable? Number 2, horse. Where can you find the horse? Do you find it in the barn, pen, coop, or stables? Number 3, pig. Where do you find the pig? Number 4, cow. Where do you find the cow? Now, boys and girls, if you listen to the video, you can write it down under reading. And then if you did the assignment where you told where the animals live, where you can find them on the farm, you can put that under writing. I hope you enjoyed this book. We have one more chapter tomorrow, and it's about the machines that you find on the farm. Look at the farm animals that I found on my way to the school today.